Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you aren't new here, you'll remember that my videos were all about beauty and probably quite shallow stuff, but we are moving home, things are changing. You've seen this house, you've seen many backgrounds. I apologise again still for the background. At the moment we are moving and things are in a bit of chaos, but you know, I've got things to show you and I just can't wait. So I wanted to show you my charity shop haul. So I have done one recently and I've bought loads of stuff that I'm going to be upcycling and, you know, using in our new home, or, you know, gifting to other people. So they're not just for me all the time. Sorry, I'm just moving bits. I realised that I've got bits everywhere. So I went to a few charity shops today. Barnardo's, Ashgate Hospice, Barnardo's again, and British Heart Foundation. So I went to 3 different ones, but in different places as well. So I'll show you the Barnardo's things first. So I bought, have I got everything? Hold on. Okay, I've got it. Starting with Barnardo's, I bought some planters because I'm really keen to have more plants in the house, and fake plants, because we don't really have any in this house. She says with like a fake plant there, just one, and pink stuff. Anyway, I wanted to show you a few of the things that I've bought to upcycle, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I just thought they were cute. So I bought these 2 little planters. They're nice as they are actually, but they're 50p each. So I thought I might be able to do something really nice with those. This was 50p as well, and it's just like a geometric type one. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm going to do a video that shows you what I'm going to do. And then I bought this really nice one. I don't know where it's from, and it's like cement, stonish, with like a grey, and I might paint this copper. So I haven't decided, but I might do that, we'll see. I really like the size of this one, really good size. And then the other thing I bought, oh hold on, this was £1. So far I've spent £2.50, and then for £1.75 I bought this really nice wooden bowl, and I've got a really good idea for this. In our bedroom we're going to be having gold, coral, emerald green and white, but I just thought this would make a really nice trinket dish for somewhere in the room. And I've got a really lovely idea for that. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Then I went into, oh sorry, I also went into Sue Ryder. Just remembered I picked up a couple of things from Sue. Is this from Sue Ryder or Barnardo's? Oh, this is from oh, okay, hold on. This was from Sue Ryder. This is from Barnardo's. This was the final thing I bought. And this is an orange cushion. Now, it's not the nicest of cushions, but I am going to be doing some fabric pumpkins because Rosie Henshaw has made me want to do them, and I just thought this orange was just gorgeous. It's like a duochrome, and the cushion was £1, so it's got the stuffing already. I just thought it'd be really cool to do, so I'm gonna do a few orange ones to go with the others that I'm going to do. So I'm really excited about that. Really excited about that one. Like, I can't wait until bloody fall, because we'll be in the house by Halloween. By autumn we are going to be in our house, so that is going to be so exciting. I then was in Sue Ryder and I bought that wooden bowl which I've spoken about, but I also picked up this. It's already got a hang on the back, so it is a pottery piece. It's made in Greece, Diana Apollo, and it's £1.75. It's not because I particularly like the print. What I love is this outside bit, and on Anthropology there was a mirror with this sort of inlaid black and white, and I've got a mirror that will fit in here and cover this picture from Poundland. So for £2.75 I'm going to DIY this to make it more of a mirror. I don't think I'm really spoiling anything by doing that. I just think it's really cool. I may even put a gold edge on the side so it matches our bedroom. I don't know yet, but I just thought it was a really nice size as well. £1.75, what a bargain. Then I went into Ashgate Hospice And oh, this is brilliant. They had these faux bunch of flowers. Isn't this gorgeous? Like a dried bunch of flowers, but I think it's faux. Yeah, inside it's like pampas grass on the outside. Pampas grass, that's what they call it. It's been tied up here, and these are all fake, but it's just stunning. And this was at £1.50. £1.50 for that. It's beautiful. That's going to look so nice somewhere, probably in our dining room. I think it's just gorgeous. So chuffed with that. And the other thing I'm really chuffed with is this gorgeous basket. Now, the reason I really like this is because it is a good square shape. And I think I might convince Claire to use this in our bathroom or potentially in the living room. I don't know yet, but I just like the shape of this. I'm actually going to upcycle this too. I think there's I might spray paint this, you see, so we'll see. I haven't decided. I do like it as it is though, and this was £2. What a find. So good. It'd be great for toilet roll, which is a bizarre thing to say. Sorry, all the stuff behind me. And then the final bits I picked up from British Heart Foundation, and it's these two sort of bamboo-ish trays, which I don't like them black as they are, but I'm going to spray paint them. There's one here and there's one here. They were £1.49 each. I just thought these were really good quality. Like, trays are really hard to come by, and actually this wooden effect is quite good, so I might spray paint these in an antique sort of chalk paint, and then, you know, sand them down a bit. I will sand them first because they aren't in the best quality, just to give them some sticking power. But I just thought these were really good. I think they'll be great in the for the little pumpkins as a display tray. I just think having trays is one of the best things, and they're not cheap. If you find them, they're not cheap. So that's all of my stuff that I bought. I hope that you stick around. I really can't wait to show you all the upcycles. I'm going to start doing those now. I'm really excited. I'm going to get on and do that after lunch, and then I can show you what I do. I've got some spray paints. I bought some cheapy plants. I've got like this. Look at this. Whoa! Wow. Oh, well done me. I bought this spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Look at this bright gold. I hope it comes out that colour. So I'm really excited about that. And I bought a stone one. This one, which I'm excited about too. So, oh, I've got mud all over me from the plants. So yeah, I can't wait to get going. I've got loads of stuff to do, and oh, excitement. So thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have any comments. I mean, obviously, oh my God, Captain Obvious over here. Sorry that the videos are not as good as they used to be. We are in a state of moving. Once we get into the new house, this will be much better. This will be much better. But you don't care about that. You just want to hear what I've got to say, so I don't mind. Right, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.